Enable Android System WebView step by step in under 2 minutes. Check if WebView is disabled. Open the Settings app on your phone. Click on the Apps option. At the top, tap on All Apps. Look through the list and find Android System WebView. If you see it, but the option is grayed out or disabled, don't panic. This usually happens because of Google Chrome. Fix it through Chrome. Find and tap on Google Chrome. Tap on Force Stop. Confirm the action. Sometimes Chrome takes over WebView functionality. After that, go back and check Android System WebView again. If it's still not visible or enabled, we move to the advanced fix. Enable developer mode. Go back to the main settings page, scroll all the way down and tap About Phone. Tap on Device Identifiers. Find build number. Tap it 7 times quickly. You may be asked to enter your PIN. Once done, you'll see a message saying developer mode has been enabled. Now, go back to the Apps section. You should now see Android System WebView visible and enabled. And that's it.